Good morning, guys. So today we're Monday, October 12th. So today what I wanted to show you was my portfolio, my stock portfolio. I'm actually trading about 35,000. What I have right now remaining, the remainder is in cash. What I have in stock is 20,900. So we can see that it's a fairly good day in the market today. Everything is pretty much green today, and those are the stocks that I've been following and stocks that I had. So last week I actually came out of a lot of stocks when they were at their highest. So I had Roku, which is doing fairly well. We can see that right now it's trading at 224.65. I think I went out when it was I think at 204 last week. So let's go just check it out. So Roku stock. So we can see that it was really trading very low in the month of May at 92.45. That's when I initially purchased it. So I purchased it at around 94.96. And then it went up. I think I let it go at around 107, and I went back on when it was at 180 something, and I let it go last week at 200, and I think it was 202 or 204, give or take. So we can see that now it's trading at 228. So that's a really, really good stock to get into, and we can see that it's pretty high. So that's a really good one. Did very, very well the past 6 months. So that's for Roku. I also have Netflix, but that one I'm still holding on to it. So for Netflix right now, I'll show you the profits afterwards. But we can see that it had his highs and lows this year, but it's pretty much ranging at the highest right now. I have Bixby, Google, Zoom, Neo, XPath, Nikola. That one was actually trading. We can see the 6 month highest. So the highest that it went was 93. I purchased it when it went back down. So we can see that the curve 93 was around June. And then it went down. So I think I caught it when it was at around 64 back in the month mid-July. So that's when I actually purchased it. And however, it kept on going down with the scandals. So you probably all heard about it, the CEO scandals. He was doing fraud. So the FBI now is involved. They're doing a big investigation. And it kept on going down. Now, when it went to 53, that was back in September. We can see here the curve. It was at 53. I had the instinct of pulling out, and I really wanted to get out of it. And I even remember telling my husband, I said, okay, that's it. I'm out. I need to pull the trigger. And, but he was like, no, keep it. You bought it at 64. Just keep it, and we'll sell it once you make the profit, once you reach the 64 range. He already went to 93. Trust me, just keep it. So I said, okay, you know what, I'll keep it another day or two, but I think I'm at the highest. Something's telling me I should pull out. I should get out of it. And I didn't hear my instinct. So guys, when you have an instinct, trust it and go with it. So your first instincts are always the best. In that case, as you can see, it kept on going down. And I let it go when it was at 29. So that's when there was all the scandals, the media, and I think it went down to 16. That was the lowest. So at that point, 29, I said, that's it. I'm out. I really need to get out of it because I have a feeling that this is not going anywhere. It's probably going to reach the zero range. So I pulled out. Yes, at a loss. I lost with Nikolai. I took a hit on that one. But hey, you can't win them all, right? So that one I lost. But right now it's trading at 24. So those that purchased it at 16 and now it's trading at 24, that's pretty good. So if you sell it at 24 and you bought it at 16, pretty good as a deal. Then I had Disney, but that one I let go quite a while ago. Lightspeed, which is the POS company that's trading in the Toronto Stock Exchange. That one is actually doing fairly well. So we can see it was at I think it was trading around 20 something back in March. But yeah, 17 guys. See, back in May it was at 17. So that was a really good catch. I think I purchased it around June, July, and now it's at 49.45. I still have some, but in my cash account. So I don't have it in that account. I have it in another account. So I have it in a tax-free saving account, and that one is another account. And yeah, so you can see I have Apple, and Apple I purchased it after the split. So right now it's doing not bad. And we can see since it split. So if we look at that one, right now it's trading at 121.85, but we can see that when it split, it was at 67. I purchased it right after the split, so I'm doing not bad with that one. But I purchased it. I'm still in a loss on this one though, so I'm still waiting to make a profit on that one. Square, I let it go last week and at a profit. So Square, Roku, I let them go. Uber, I let it go last week. Nvidia, that one did pretty well. I think I had like $564 in profit last week on that one, so I got out with a profit. All the stocks that I went out were actually with profit. So if we look at the profit here, if we see how many stocks I have, so right now what I'm holding in my portfolio are Tesla. So I have 5 shares of Tesla. I've got 1 of Amazon, 5 of Netflix, 15 of Bixby, 1 of Google Alphabet, 100 of XBEV, and 20 of Apple. Like I said, Lightspeed is in another account, and that one I have 3 shares. So if we look at the profits on these ones, the day's profits, so right now the ones that are really profitable are Amazon. So by the way, it's Amazon Prime Day today and tomorrow. And last year they actually surpassed the Black Friday. So they did pretty well. So this is why I'm holding on to Amazon. I'm not letting go. That one I'm pretty sure it's going to go even higher than that. So right now I'm at $164 profit. Tesla I've got 58, Netflix 31, and then I've got Bixby $40, Google $40, XPF 28, and then Apple 120. So not bad. Today everything is green actually. All my shares are actually in profit. The only thing is I did purchase some, so if I look at my total gain, I am still in loss. Netflix, I'm almost even. So that one, I'm just waiting to make a profit on that one. But Netflix, I believe, is definitely gonna be profitable. So I'm still holding on to that share. Big C, I took a hit on that one at 642, but it's been green for the past week. So I'll hold on to it, and I'm pretty sure I'm confident. I'm really confident on that one. So if it doesn't, well, I'm gonna have to take a hit. But so far, all the stocks I took out last week, I was profitable of about 500, between 4 and 500 per share. So Roku, I had Nvidia, I had Neo, Zoom. So those ones are the ones I got out last week. Nikola, like I said, that one I took a hit. And Lightspeed, which I have in cash, and Square. So Square, I definitely went out with a profit. So right now, most of my money is actually held in cash. So I've got 15,000 that is in cash, and I've got another 14,000 also in cash. So I'm just waiting for the right moment. So there's definitely going to be a crash, that's for sure. There's going to be a correction. So I'm just waiting for the right moment. And as you know, with the market, there's ups and downs. And whenever it's red, that's the moment I'm actually waiting in order for me to make my purchases. So I'm really watching right now Square, Roku. Those are the ones that I'd like to write again. I'm just waiting for them to be at a little bit lower and catch them at a lower rate. So I'm watching these ones. I'm also watching Moderna, which is the vaccine company. So that one I'm keeping an eye on it. But with everything that is going on, the elections that are coming up in about 3 weeks and a half, that might change. So a lot of people are saying that there's going to be a civil war. There's going to be riots. There's going to be all kinds of things going on. So That's why I'm a little bit more conservative these days. I don't wanna lose my money neither, so I'm being a little bit more conservative, but I am waiting definitely for the right moment to get back in the market. Like I said, this is what's left right now. Those are the shares I kept. The rest are all in cash money, and I'm just waiting for the right moment in order to pull the trigger. So, as you can see, we are right now Monday, October 12th. And yes, that's it. So, hope you guys liked the content. If you do, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely put some more content. So please comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much, guys. Have yourself a great day.